Guess what I got asked? Yep, the classic "what's the deal with this idiom?" Find one's feet. I will explain it, and you've got it covered today. Let me tell you a story. Once upon a time, a foreign student came to the UK to study. He was confused when his teacher told him to find his feet in class. He thought, how can I find my feet? I know where they are. But the teacher meant he should get comfortable and familiar with the class. So, find one's feet means to become comfortable and confident in a new situation. The idiom find one's feet means to become comfortable and confident in a new situation. It is often used in situations where someone is starting something new or unfamiliar. For example, starting a new job, moving to a new city, or learning a new skill. To remember the meaning of find one's feet, think of it as finding your balance in a new situation. Just like when you learn to walk, you need to find your balance before you can move confidently. So, finding your feet means finding your balance in a new situation. Let me give you an example story. John just started a new job as a software engineer. At first, he felt overwhelmed and out of place. But after a few weeks, he started to find his feet. He became more confident in his abilities and started to enjoy his work. Fun fact 1. The idiom find one's feet originated in the 19th century. Fun fact 2. The idiom is often used in sports to describe a team's ability to adapt to a new situation. Fun fact 3. The idiom is also used in dance to describe a dancer's ability to find their balance. Example 1. After a few weeks, I finally found my feet in my new job. The speaker has become comfortable and confident in their new job. Example 2. It takes time to find your feet in a new city. It takes time to become familiar and comfortable in a new city. Original sentence. After starting my new job, I found my feet quickly. Rephrased 1. I became comfortable in my new job quickly. Rephrased 2. I adapted to my new job quickly. Real life story. Sarah moved to a new country to study. At first, she felt lost and out of place. But after a few months, she started to find her feet. She made new friends and started to enjoy her new life. Finding her feet helped her adjust to her new situation. Similar expressions: get the hang of it, settle in, get used to it. Opposite expressions: out of your depth, in over your head. Related idioms: stand on your own 2 feet, have 2 left feet, put your foot in your mouth. Quiz 1. What does the idiom find one's feet mean? Option 1. To find your shoes. Option 2. To become comfortable and confident in a new situation. Option 3. To lose your balance. Answer: Option 2. Find one's feet means to become comfortable and confident in a new situation. Quiz 2. Which of the following is a similar expression to find one's feet? Option 1. Settle in. Option 2. Put your foot in your mouth. Option 3. Out of your depth. Answer: Option 1. Quiz 3. Which of the following is an opposite expression to find one's feet? Option 1. Get the hang of it. Option 2. Out of your depth. Option 3. Settle in. Answer: Option 2. Out of your depth means to be in a situation that is too difficult or beyond your abilities. In summary, find one's feet means to become comfortable and confident in a new situation. Remember to think of it as finding your balance in a new situation. Use example sentences and related expressions to practice using the idiom. And don't forget to share your story and encourage others to find their feet.